My beautiful and amazing people, hey hey, e don dey fall oo. The rain wey dem talk say e no dey always fall for one man roof, e dey fall, e dey sound, everybody dey hear am. My people, Ned Nwoko and im ada, the ada of all adas, wey make Ipa dey buga, dey let us know say im pity man wey go marry one wife, carry only one leg, say him e no fit find himself for such kind of matter. They no fit even see am for matter or gathering like that. Omo, leg e don dey shake oo. Small nyash dey shake oo, small nyash dey shake oo, small nyash dey shake oo. This one, this information like this oo, omo, even me myself, I find am so difficult to believe say Ada family eyes don clear now like this. Because you know say as this matter happen between Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniel, I see some people for comment section go dey comment for Ipa comment say sir, Regina has gone. Me, I am beautiful, I am still young, and I am I am ready. If Regina go, soldier come, barracks still remain. This one, that one, this one. Like different comments on several occasions. I see people going to comment on that. Why for Regina Daniel side, some people they go they comment, Madam, go back to your husband. Outside world no be am o. The kind luxury life wey you don dey used to dey live, no be all men go get am give you o. Madam, go back, madam, go back. I dey look una. For a lady of 24 years to stand up, leave wealth, leave everything, all the whole money for this life, say she no do again, she want her sanity and want her life back. Una think say na joke. Until when una find una self for such kind of situation, or una family dey for that kind matters or matthias, na una go know talk say omo, no be joking thing o. Person wey see money, wey see they say ant wey see sugar, wey no gree go perch on that sugar, meaning say that sugar don dey contaminated or something is wrong. Are you sure? Because salt and sugar look alike. E sure say no be salt na im dey there wey make e no attract the ant. Na im be this one so. My people, una know say just inside last year, immediately this whole drama begin between Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniel, Guilty Juice bin come out come reveal to us say e get one lady wey dey call Ada, wey dey go so university, wey Ipa dey carry, wey be say that one na im dey im eye now, na im dey sponsor the girl, na im dey do everything for the girl, na im dey make sure say e put a smile on the girl face, and the girl again, she ready any day anytime if Ipa ready, based on say im don already go meet her family. E don take consent from the family say e wan sponsor her for school, and e ready to do everything. Anytime wey she just finish like this gbagain, they go continue with life, then marriage go come. Now e never reach anywhere. Shebi Ipa talk say na Regina na im wan spoil her name for social media, e wan spoil her reputation, e wan spoil her career, making her look like a druggy baron for this our country. E no know talk say the more wey im dey talk, the more e dey even dey promote the girl the more. Because as e dey talk, no be Regina go get fine, handsome, good looking friend wey ready to give her anything, ready to do anything for her. No be as im dey talk, na im the girl go get that one. We never even reach anywhere again. As she get that one, na so different good things just dey come from left, right, front, back, and center. My people, like the story is about to get sweeter. Make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter. Make I no come forget to do the needful. Say omo, this story, it is too sweet to be true, and it is too sweet to say e no be am at all. Before I go come forget to do the needful, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing no. They say all of a sudden, na the family of the girl, be the lady called Ada, call Ipao, say make him come meeting day for ground. This meeting wey dem dey talk like this, so e party say dem wan come tell am say the girl don finish or she's about to finish, make dem plan wedding so that e go fit use her pepper Regina well well and use am pepper online in-law say na Regina na im lose, say shebi she go soldier come, barrack still remain. Whereas behind closed doors, e dey look for this girl by all means, looking for her here and there. E no allow her drink water drop cup. E just dey follow her with everything he ever owns in this life. Now, they say the family of the lady, according to the information, come call Ipa say abeg o, they get meeting. They go need to see am and e dey very urgent in a way. Na Ipa come promise them say im go come so day so time. They say as Ipa come go this meeting, wetin they go discuss, e really shortalize Ipa because he was never expecting to hear this coming from their end. He was never believing his ears, neither his eyes, because he so much believe say as he get money, he get everything, and the family of the Ada they no too balance like that. Say na him don win like this, na him don overpower, na him don overshadow. But he no talk say no be everybody 100% na you go fit use money buy. Even then before, e be like say dem bin dey blind or they no dey see or they are under the influence of something wey dem bin begin the journey. But as Regina Daniel own come sup, e be like say their eyes, the wood wey dem use cover their eyes, e just comot wale. They can now see. Omo, na im dey say as Ipa come, they come welcome am o, cook o, do everything o, do welcome o, welcome im people wey im carry follow body come, im guards them and all. They follow, e dey welcome am. They tell am sit down. Na im dey start discussion o, say that matter wey dem discuss, wey im talk say if Ada finish, im go marry Ada, this that they've checked it in and out, and that they have come to conclusion that Ada will not want to get married now. And as they see, Ipa dey eager to marry, like now. So Ada is not ready. And according to her uncles them, they say they no go need to force Ada to enter into the marriage. She need to be willing to decide on her own, say she wan enter marriage. Now they say Ipa say make they ask the Ada now, say they even spoke yesterday and she never told him of all these things that they are talking about, that they should ask Ada, that she is very willing, since it's a consent that they want, to facilitate the whole stuff. Even him, he wouldn't want somebody that he will marry out of will. That Regina got married to him out of will. He never forced her or anything. So Ima go like make Ada choose out of will from her mind if she's really ready to settle down with him. Now they say they can call Ada o. Hey, Ada come. They ask Ada say to Ada, see Ipa don show. Now we are telling him as your family that you are not ready yet to get married. But because let it not look like we are just pushing you to do some certain things or to force you into doing what you don't want to do. If you are not okay with our decision, you can as well say it here and now. If you are okay, you can still talk, and you can also still tell us when you'll be ready for the marriage so that the man will be aware, because he's here particularly for that. Now they say Ada practically told the man that that she and her family, they've sat on it, they've discussed, and that then she's still too young, that she will need to explore, she need to live life, to really enjoy what life is all about, that it is not her age mate that is supposed to get married to him, that she wouldn't want a situation whereby now she is blinded, she cannot really see. She don't want a situation whereby when she will now finally want to see, she will now be discouraged or something leads to the other. But that whatever be the outcome, they will have to give her enough time, that for now she is not yet ready for the marriage. Na im dey say the family come dey tell am say make im no vex, based on the training wey e don train her so far, the school fees wey e don pay and all, that they are ready to pay him if need be. And they don't even want anyone that it will become a thing of drama, back and forth. That thank God they did not sign any agreement form to show that the daughter must marry him. But make it no worry, if it is the will of God that the daughter will come for him, will marry him, fine and good. But for now, the girl need to explore. She need to live life. They don't want to force her. They don't want to tell her, talk her into doing things she will later regret. That they will be happy if Ipa too understand with them in all of this. Omo, they say Ipa was so discouraged and disappointed according to the information. Una know say we know they there na based on the matter wey dey for ground, wey dey circulate the whole media space as we speak right now. So now they say Ipa was so discouraged, he was so pained, disappointed, that with wetin im don plan for im mind to come take pepper online in-laws. You know say immediately im go do wedding now, come surface with another wife, people go say if first wife say she no go do, second wife go do now. If Regina say she see a lot, na make she no wan do again. Definitely person wey never see a lot go chook head now, go occupy space. So nothing mega, na she lose, so that they go get to drag Regina well. But now like this, omo, Nedwoko sat there for like how many minutes, speechless. He didn't even know what to say or where to start or how to come in. They said he was so quiet. He was just so quiet. He no know wetin to talk. God abeg. They don't reason am. Even if no be say them too, the family, if say this whole matter na truth, the family too, they no get sense. Man of 70 years, una wan carry una how many years old Ada carry give am? Wetin be una poverty wey una never, wetin be una problem? Apart from say this whole thing happen to Regina and Regina run away, run for her dear life, say she no want ancestor again, she no even want chop money, she no want money, she no want anything, she just want her life back. So if to say e no happen, una go still carry girl, carry give this man again, or this in age. Chai, na wow, some people myself, they know the reason go front, reason come back. Oh, na anywhere belle face, na dey face. Na im be say na Regina really can't open their eyes to so many things. All this her drama put together, na im can't open all of them eyes to know that things really dey happen for inside life. And you as a man, you go need to dey extra careful to avoid wetin happen for 1960, make e no repeat itself. They say Ned Nwoko was just so discouraged, pained, that he even have to tell them that that he will get back to them in everything they've said, most especially that concerning money matter, payment matter and all. But that he never reached for the one way they go to talk about payment, since they did not say the girl will not marry him. They only said for now she's not ready. You know, say normally if you want come on, put leg for inside hot water, you go start with small with your one leg. So in order say they no want tell am who her say we no want our daughter with you, na make them start with small she's not ready, she's not ready. But e be like say if woman matter don't come like this, Ipa no dey know wetin to talk or wetin to do with im life again. They say they no want, you see they talk you go think about am, you go wetin, you go wetin. Must they tell you say they no want before you go know say they say na want they no want? When person don use scope tell you, person wey been tell you say no wahala, you can go ahead even if she's not done. If she just reach the age where you fit carry put for house where you no go be minor, no problem. They all agree. I didn't mean that God say make them no sign any paper. If not, so they for sign their daughter into married to Ipa. At the end of the day, they will come later they regret. Now like this, shebi Nedwoko thought that na only Regina na him wan scatter her name, he wan spoil her destiny, he wan do everything humanly possible to disgrace her and to make a caricature of her. At the end of the day, na him come dey collect the caricature, the disgrace, everything that comes with being ignored, being stupid for where people dey. Na him come carry am now for head. My people, this one I know whether na to laugh, whether na to cry on his behalf, or whether na wetin exactly. They said he felt so disappointed and discouraged that with everything, with all of his time wasted, with all wetin he don plan down, map down, everything, going to a television station, going to national television to go say you blame people wey marry one wife, wey stand on one leg, you dey blame them, meaning you are ready, you are not even, according to him brother, una remember when the brother Chuks talk say he turn to Muslim so that he go come turn himself to polygamous man, to say he wan marry this, marry that, if not him name na Chinedu aka Ned. Wahala. But he decide to turn am, funkinize am finish, come turn himself to Muslim so that he go fit dey marry as many as possible. If they divorce seki uku, he go marry another one. Before you know, he don turn to Abraham for Bible. God abeg. Father Abraham had many sons, Father Abraham. It is well, oh, my people. Now, see the disgrace on top of shame wey dey carry come rub for Ipa. All thanks to Regina Daniel. Na be that family, normally una suppose carry kola nut, carry chill wine, go meet Regina to take appreciate her for opening una eyes to some certain things. Because if no be una now, na so that girl for take go enter the one wey she go chook herself. At the end of the day, you come dey hear justice for this, justice. God no go let am be her portion, because e really pain this man. Oh, my people, what are your take in all of this? What do you have to say? Make una come, make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like points and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring you the latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.